I can't mirror any one creator's exact style, but here's a fast, high-energy, rapid-fire vibe, inspired by popular science channels. Earth facts in 180 seconds. Ready? Go. Earth isn't a perfect sphere, it's an oblate spheroid, slightly squished at the poles, chunky at the equator. That bulge, it's from our spin. We're moving right now, fast. Earth orbits the sun at about 30 kilometers per second. The solar system rockets around the Milky Way at roughly 220 kilometers per second. And the universe itself is expanding between galaxies. So yeah, sitting still is an illusion. The earliest light we see at night left its stars long before humans wrote history. But the sunlight hitting you, it's about 8 minutes and 20 seconds old. Earth's air isn't mostly oxygen, 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, argon, CO2, other trace gases. Still, that tiny CO2 slice packs a huge climate punch. You've probably heard 71% of Earth is water. True. If you gathered all that water into a sphere, it'd be about 860 miles wide, smaller than the moon. Most of it is salty. Less than 1% is easy for us to drink. Earth has a solid inner core roughly the size of the moon, wrapped in a liquid outer core of molten iron. That moving metal powers our magnetic field, a planet-scale shield that deflects cosmic radiation and helps keep our atmosphere intact. The magnetic poles drift. Sometimes they even flip. Mount Everest is the tallest above sea level. Chimborazo is farthest from Earth's center. Deepest point, Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trench, over 10,900 meters down. Pressure there would crush a car like a soda can. The continents wander. Plate tectonics means the ground beneath you is surfing on slow, hot rock. About 200 million years ago, most land was fused as Pangaea. Give it time, and we'll mash up again into a future supercontinent. Earth's day is getting longer, by about 1.7 milliseconds per century. Blame tidal friction. A billion years ago, a day was only about 18 hours. Lightning strikes Earth about 8 million times a day. Each flash superheats air to 5 times hotter than the sun's surface, for a split second. Highest recorded surface temperature, 56.7 degrees, 134 degrees, in Death Valley. Lowest, 89.2 degrees, 128.6 degrees, at Vostok Station, Antarctica. But the stratosphere and thermosphere redefine cold and hot in ways your skin will never feel. Antarctica holds about 90% of Earth's ice, around 70% of its freshwater. If all land ice melted, sea level would rise roughly 66 meters. Not happening overnight, but physics keeps the receipts. Earth hums. Waves, winds, and quakes make our planet vibrate with an ultra-low frequency song you can't hear, but instruments can. Most of the species on Earth, still unknown. We've named around 2 million. Estimates range far higher. Every year we discover new plants, microbes, and deep-sea weirdos. Earth's sky is blue because molecules scatter shorter wavelengths more than longer ones. Sunsets go red because the light takes the scenic route through thicker air. If Earth were a calendar year, humans show up at 11:59:46 p.m. on December 31st. Civilization, the last blink. And yet, here we are, breathing recycled stardust, riding a magnetic bubble, floating on plates over a molten heart, orbiting a star in a quiet galactic suburb. What a planet. Take care of it. And if this blew your mind, hit pause, rewind, and share your favorite fact in the comments. See you next time.